Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this twin face-off filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. One similar filter is popular in TikTok as blue and red filter or opposite filter. If you want to do the Vanessa challenge, this is an alternative filter if you don't have TikTok. So in TikTok you need to blink to switch between male and female. Here you have a button, so it's not so tricky. So just tap on it and switch between male and female. Okay, so to get this effect, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this preview on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter, twin face-off. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this twin face-off filter and do the gender bender drama trend on TikTok, Instagram or Snapchat, wherever you want. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.